Hello, everybody. Before I start the reading for today, I'd like to ask everybody to like and subscribe. Also, send me comments. It helps me a great deal. Our first angel card is You Ready? Be in the Now. The second one is Get Information. Make your dreams a reality. Don't feel stuck and it's too far from you. You'll be surprised if you know more about something how it can be possible. And the next angel card is No, nothing is wasted. Our archangel card is Gabriel, and he says make bold, ambitious decisions and connect with people that have the same vision as you. The second, Gabriel, is stand up for what you believe in, have confidence, claim your personal power. And the third one is Archangel Michael. He says something you're busy with, you're too attached to the outcome. Be in the now, do the best you can do in the situation now, and consider something more uplifting for yourself. We are getting bombarded with divine love and guidance from the angels, and you must just stay focused and in your own integrity. There's a lot of things coming to an end, but it's a promise of a bright new future, new beginnings for us all. There's justice coming, balance coming. It starts from within, and you'll see it in everyone and everything around you. There's a lot of little things that we have been putting off and putting on. It's time to make that list of things that you wanted to do and haven't been doing and get doing it. It will open lots of avenues for you. The universe wants us to know there are big, humongous shifts happening, not only on planet Earth, in the whole of the universe. And it's for a greater, better future for us all. The last card is abundance. Although we think things are going slowly, with the frustrations, there are still obstacles that we have to overcome. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid. Be in the now and enjoy your life. Thanks for listening.